Okay, so we want to take our data from our Google form and we want to put it into a Excel spreadsheet so we can sort it and look at it in better ways. So the first thing we're going to do is have to go to responses. Then I click on the plus sign that opens up the sheet. If you haven't done that yet, it'll prompt you to make a new sheet. You want to tell it to make a new sheet, but mine's already there. Now I'm going to highlight everything. So I click and hold and drag all the way down to the bottom. Then I right click, copy, or Control C will work also. Now I'm going to open up an Excel file and I'm just going to go Control V. And there it is. It takes up a lot of room. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click up here and go undo the wrap text so that it doesn't have these big long ones here. Then I'm going to make this larger so you can see the timestamp. Nope, too large, that's enough. Make this larger so we can see the email. Well, actually, I'm not going to worry about the email. Open this up. And this. And this is all stuff you should know how to do by now. That doesn't show you everything, but it shows you a little bit. This is, okay, so now we want to sort things. So what I want to do is I want to sort this by 3 different things. I'm going to sort it by which foods do you like. I'm going to sort it by which period do you have. Nope, that everybody has. How much do you like spinach? And then the third one, I'm going to sort it by the sentence. So what will happen is it'll sort all this by, and it's all pizza, so it'll sort it all by the first word there. And then after that, within the pizza, it'll sort it by how much do you like spinach. And then within those, it'll get all the 8s and 5s and 4s together. Then it'll sort this here. So it may not be clear, but I'll go over it a little bit more here. First, I'm going to highlight them all. So I click on the 2 and I drag it all the way down to the bottom. I go up to data, sort. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of the data headers. I'm going to undo that. I don't want that clicked. Now, I'm going to sort by, actually I'm going to sort by color because this one there, it's all pizza first. So I'm going to sort by color first. That's in column C. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to choose C. And it says from A to Z. So we're going to sort it alphabetically. I'm going to add a level now. So I click plus. Now I'm going to sort by how much do you like spinach. That's column H. So I click, go to column H. And finally, the last thing I'm going to do is sort by the one sentence, which is column F. So I'm going to add a level, column F. Now when I click OK, it's first going to sort by the color. So we'll put those in alphabetical order. Inside all the blue ones, it'll sort by how much you like spinach, and then it'll sort by the short story, alphabetically. And there we go. You can see all the blues are together. All the greens, oranges, puce, and red are together, so you can see who picked what color. We could even highlight them and go back to home and fill in a nice light blue for blue. Fill in a nice green for green. Orange. Puce was kind of a purple color. Let's see if we can find something that looks puce-ish. I'm just going to pick that one. Nope. And then red. Whoops. Red. There we go. Now we look over here and we can see that in blue, 2 people don't like spinach. 1 person likes spinach a lot, and then it alphabetized these, my, they, The lowercase comes afterwards. Actually, it's sorting by this here, those two. And then these are in alphabetical order. Then all the 4s are in alphabetical order. Then it starts over for the 5s and the 6s. So that's how we sort them. Don't forget to save it. More options. Save as, browse. Go up to whatever period you're in. And we'll name this forms. And send that in to me on Canvas. And there we go.